With regards to the ankle, it's also the same with the knee because it's a joint as well. Now, it's same as nitrogen creates a bubble and it pops like our knuckles. Okay, it's air pocket. But also as a runner, also there's tendency also because you're a runner, you overused it and you lack of stretching, lack of warm up. Okay, so when your tendons rub against your ankle joints or rub it against your bone, then that will sometimes create a clicking sound or a popping sound. So if it doesn't hurt, then you don't have to be concerned about it. All you have to do is just do the warm up and stretching all the time before you do such activity and after activity. So, but if it hurts, then that's another thing. You must have to rest your ankle or your leg. And when your concern is about 2 weeks already, yes, sometimes when you do not rest and you keep moving it and you keep stressing,